boys and girls. We're gonna be doing circles today. So it's like the other ones, a lot of vocabulary and identifying the parts of it and knowing the names of it without having to actually like solve anything or calculate anything with numbers. So for a circle, right, it's the same, it's a plain figure, right, it's flat. Whenever it says plain figure, it means it's flat, it doesn't have different sides, it's not like dimensional, it's just something you can draw flat on paper, not something you can physically hold. So for a circle, the way that you name it is by the point that's in the middle. So this would be circle A, because the one in the middle tells you the name of it. The center is the name of it, so this would be circle A. That's how you identify the circle, the name. Okay, then there's different parts. The radius is a line that has two endpoints. One endpoint on the outside, on the line, and the other endpoint is in the middle, in the center. So this would be a radius, E, EB, because it's an endpoint. So you write EB, and then it's a line segment, so you just put the little line on top of it. Okay, another one that could be a radius would be also CB, because it goes from the outside to the middle, to the center. And also the last one, DB. Those are three endpoints that are also, not endpoints, three line segments that are considered radius. And once you have more than one, it's called radii. That's the plural way to say radius. So if it's only one, it's the radius. If it's more than one, then you say the radii. So for the circle B, the radii would be line segment EB, CB, and DB. Okay, so it has three. Now the next part is the diameter. The diameter is like a radius, except that it goes all the way through. So it has its two endpoints are on the end of the circle, but so it has both endpoints on the circle and it passes through the center. So the diameter goes from both sides, one side through the center to the other side. That's the diameter. It would be DC. D to C. That's that. Okay? Again, if it's only outside and center, and it does not cross through, that's a radius or radii. The diameter is the one that goes all the way through. Later on, you're going to learn that we measure the circle by the diameter, the length from one side through the middle to the other side. Okay, and then the last part I wanted to talk to you about was the chord. A chord is a line segment with the two endpoints on the circle, but it does not go through the center. It has nothing to do with the center of the circle. So a chord is just if it's on the outside of the circle, two endpoints. So the chord here would be line segment FG. And remember, you use a symbol for line segment, which is the little line on the top of it. Okay? This was a quick lesson, just going over the vocabulary. Make sure you look at the textbook page, 332, it has the same information. And the notes page on the Plus Portals assignment also has the information. So